What are the solid waste in garbage? Solid waste in garbage. Most probably wood we have. Yes, iron we have. And iron in the soil, that is recyclable. And if we place that one in the soil without recycle also, it will be rusting after some time and it will mix us with soil. Yes, iron will mix us with soil after certain days in the garbage. If we throw an iron, it will be become as soil. Decomposable. Yes, biodegradable. Iron is biodegradable. Wood is also biodegradable. But coming to the plastic, what about it? Solid waste, most probably which damages our environment is plastic only. So according to the Supreme Court judgment in 2003, the solid waste should be converted into resources such as electricity, heat and compost and fuel through thermal and biological means. If any such effort for solid waste management taking place in your village, so that is recover process. Most probably plastic whatever we are having, that one is useful for heat energy and compost electricity. But coming to the plastic, is it necessary to do like that? Plastic we cannot do, but wood and all we can do like that. Compost electricity and all, because of that solid waste we can make all those things. And from that we need to reduce by using the above 3 steps, then we can recover the environment. Solid waste, we need from solid waste we reduce by using the above 3 principles, we can reduce plastic from that. So remaining solid waste we can use to making electricity, heat and compost. Yes, the remaining one we can use like that. If we reduce and recycle plastic from that, yes, reduce, reuse and recycle plastic from that, solid waste will be useful for the remaining solid waste will be useful for electricity, heat and compost and fuel purpose. Fuel. Fuels we can make from that plastics remaining if anything is there. So by in this manner we can recover the environment. So we can reduce, recover and reuse all concepts, all principles you can understand. I think you can understand. And you got all information about this lesson. What is the role of recycling process? Without recycling codes, we cannot mix one type of plastic with another type of plastic blindly. So recycling code is having most important role. And some are uncoded plastics also there. Like for example, computer keyboard, there is no code for that. So it is impossible to maintain codes for all type of plastics. Only few we can maintain with codes. Like that 7 are there. Those are. This lesson finished, Nana. Polythene, terephthalate, PET PET bottles and high density polythene. Vinyl is for code 3 and low density for 4. Polypropylene for code 5 and polystyrene for 6. And 7 are other categories comes under this. And only 6 we have codes and the remaining are uncoded only. Uncoded plastics only. Yes, I think you got this lesson clearly. And some more questions I want to explain you here. And if we make electric switches with thermoplastics, this is the application of concept. Second question, Anna. And what is the answer for this? Suppose if electric switches are made by thermoplastics, it will be good conductor. I will send, Nana. I will send it. You first just listen. If we make electric switches with thermoplastics, so those are good conductors of heat. Yes, good conductors of heat. Then what will happen? Those are heated, they lost their shape out. They will become a shape out. So there is a chance they melted and they shape out. Kada? Yes. So due to that, there is a chance to get electric shocks. Thermoplastics we cannot use at the time of that in the case of electric switches and all, we need to use thermosetting plastics. That's why. So thermoplastics are getting good conductors for heat energy, so they will get change in their shape. Due to that they melted and there is a chance to get electric shock. That you should write. And next one is what could be the consequence if plastics are not properly disposed. If we are not properly disposed plastics, there is a lot of land pollution and harmfulness to the environment. And sometimes people throw leftover food in the plastic covers. At that time animals will eat those and they will die, and also so many diseases will occur to those buffaloes and cows, etc. Yes. So people throw this one, we have discussed in our regular class also, we have discussed about this. Animals, they will eat with plastic cover, that food item they will see and they will eat with including that plastic cover. They will get damage in their stomach. There is no digestion occur due to that, and they will also die because of that. So due to that we can conclude that harmful. If we use plastic properly, then only we will get uses, or else we'll get losses. And coming to the, imagine what would happen if do not discover plastic. So plastic, without plastic, simple life. Okay. No moderation. No moderation, no advanced technologies, no advanced technologies and advanced thinking like use and throw. There is no use and throw, and all process is not there. But simple life only, life on the earth would be better than now. Without plastic only better than now. Pollution would be there or not? Very less pollution at that time. Without plastic, no pollution. The animals would not eat the plastic bags and die. There is no chance to eat plastic bags and die. Many aquatic animals would not be extinct and they would be living sweet and simple life. They will be living sweet and simple life without plastic. Without plastic, just imagine the environment very quiet and clean. You just close your eyes and imagine simple and quiet. So always we are using iron and steel buckets. Yes, mugs also made up of like that iron and steel. No plastic, wooden items and iron items like that only. Just imagine very good environment we can observe because of that. Simple and clean environment. No plastic covers in the surroundings. While we are observing in the surroundings, while we are traveling in the bus or else, we can observe on the sides of the road always plastic covers only on the earth. Yes. Now, so without that, how the environment looks green and only decomposable items we can observe on the earth. Whatever you are thinking, I don't know, but I am thinking like I'm very afraid to watch like that on the roads. Always aside of the road, all plastic covers are there on the roads aside. So what is that? Non biodegradable items are those. How the soil will be polluted due to that? Just to think. So our future generations will going to dangerous situation because of that. So without plastics, our environment will be quite only. So this is the imagination only, but we are using. So we cannot avoid that plastic nowadays. So it is impossible to complete avoidance, but we can reduce and we can use in a proper manner, and we try to reduce that. Okay, is it clear? I will send you photocopy and copy all this. More 8 minutes we have. 12 minutes we have. I will send you this photocopy and afterwards I will call you and I will give some more questions to write. I think you wrote all running notes. Yes or no? All you wrote. All you wrote means only these questions, these 3 questions is enough, Nana. All you wrote or not? If you wrote means uh, this is enough, and that what is the role of codes in recycling process, I will give you answer now, and after last I will call you last 5 minutes I will call you and I will give that notes also. Okay na? Okay, I will call you again. I will send these photocopies. You copy. Yogendra, don't keep message there. Class అయిపోయిందా టీచర్ అని మెసేజ్ పెట్టదు అట్లా. ఓకే, అవ్వలేదు. 55 వరకు క్లాస్ ఉన్నది, ఇంకా 10 minutes మనకు క్లాస్ ఉన్నది. బట్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ దిస్ ఫోటో కాపీస్. ఓకే నాన్న. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ నౌ. దిస్ ఓన్లీ యూ రైట్ నౌ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.